industrialist, hope you all are doing well in your domain. You being a business owner or being a designated officer or being a great decision maker to your organization, you might be always be thinking or dreaming to optimize your business profit by addressing day-to-day challenges happening on the floor. In your industry, you might face challenges from any department such as production department, inspection department, design department, assembly department, and much more, right? Here, we at Vocal Tech Solutions aim to be part of your design challenges and help you out with innovative design solutions. If you're planning to do something new with your day-to-day industrial design challenges and are facing issues with constrained design manpower, then here we are. Let me explain you with some examples. Currently, you will be producing sheet metal products and now you want to produce plastic products where you might be getting stuck with constrained design manpower. Then, here we are. Or you might be running a machining industry where you will be machining cylindrical parts for which you will be looking for work holding device designing solutions. Then here we are. Or you will be looking at some special fixtures or gauges which are used in inspection area, production area, assembly area. Then here we are. Or are you planning to optimize your processes by introducing automation? Then here we are. We aim to facilitate our clients with smart, reliable and economical design solutions for the removal of bottlenecks to ease your journey towards growth and success in your domain. For which, Vocal Tech Solutions, backed up with CAD experts and industrial design engineers from Pan-India with 10 years of experience. So if you're looking for trustworthy team to assist you with design solutions, then please have a look on our design services. We provide design solutions on plastic and sheet metal product development and their tools, die castings, special purpose machines, work holding devices, special fixtures and gauges, pattern and code designs, fabrication and automation designs, or you're simply looking at 2D, 3D CAD draftings. For inquiries, call us on 86185-72024 or mail us on contact@vocaltechsolutions.com. For more information, please visit our website www.vocaltechsolutions.com.